full time. Manchester United are through to the semi-finals of the Europea fucking Cup. Okay? 4 fucking nil. 4 fucking nil on aggregate. That says it all. Okay? That says it all. Let's be brutally honest here. It was Granada. It wasn't a big fucking deal. Okay? It's not like we beat Bayern or someone. But still, I'll give credit where credit's due. Good victory. Okay? We played really well in the first leg. And in the second leg, we were A-okay. Regardless, we got the job done. Okay, we got the job done. Talking about today's game, we went into this game 3 players down. There was no McTominay, there was no Maguire, there was no Luke Shaw. Big fucking important players to our lineup. So I was a little skeptical, but then again, I wasn't too worried. Like I said, it was Granada. Okay, I have no idea where in the La Liga table, but I'm definitely sure they're not in the top 4 or even top 6 for that matter. So I think we played okay. Okay, I'm not happy with Tellez's performance. Other than that, I feel the team played okay. Okay, Cavani, brilliant goal. Okay, brilliant goal. This shows his class each game, each week. Okay, Tottenham game also banger of a goal he scored, and today also banger of a goal. Okay, just he's hitting goals with his shoulder, he's hitting with them with his head, he's hitting them with his feet. Just all round top play. I really hope he stays for another season, because I don't feel like we need another striker, because if he stays, that will be really good. He is really good. Okay, Cavani is really good and he deserves to wear that number 7 badge. But at the same time, if he leaves, he leaves. Okay, I've gotten attached to him, but that's his wish. Okay, no one can stop him. But I don't think we need to get another striker as immediately, especially not Haaland, because that would be a fucking waste of money. Just pointless buying Haaland at this point. Maybe go for I don't know. I really don't feel we need a striker. But regardless, today's game we played okay. The refereeing today though, absolute fucking disaster. Okay, Diallo was getting a clear shot on goal, and then one of these twats made a tactical fall. Now, according to me and according to most of the fans around the world, they will tell you that's a clear red. And it's not like the ref was like 20 feet away or 30 feet away. He was like a meter within this incident. And he's just letting the play go on. It's really pathetic to see this happen. It's happening in the UCL, it's happening in the Premier League, it's happening in the Europa League also now. What the fuck is VAR for? VAR is only giving falls for fly swats. This is a fall. No? But when you tackle a player who's one-on-one with the keeper, that's not a fall. No, that's a clear tackle. What bullshit. BS, man. What a load of BS. This referee was another disappointment. But the major positive of today's game, Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Just, for me, the best right back in the world right now. Fuck Trent Alexander. I have no idea why this guy is not starting in the England lineup. Look at him, bro. Look at him. Look at him and look at Trent this season. What the fuck is Gareth Southgate doing? What the fuck is he doing? You're scouting all these players week in, week out, but you do not see him play? Do you not see Aaron Wan-Bissaka play? Really disgusting that you're overlooking a play of his caliber. Really disgusting. Because of him, that our defense was held strongly today. Even Axel was shaky today. You know, really losing the possession here and there, really clumsily. But Aaron Wan-Bissaka filled in all the spots like Fevicol. Okay? Like Ambuja Cement he was today in today's defense. Man of the match, without a question. 100 out of 10. If he wasn't there today, I don't know what would have happened. I'm not saying Granada would have won, but you can never say. Football is very unpredictable. All things being said now, we need to focus on our next game. Okay? On our next semi-final game especially. We are back to that same checkpoint where we died. Okay? We are respawning. Last time out it was Sevilla in the Europa Cup semi-final, but this time it's Roma. Okay, it's a different villain. I don't care. We have to win. This is a do or die situation. I can't take another semi-final loss. No one can. Do not let this victory get to your heads. Okay, it was Granada. It's no big fucking deal. Next up, next 2 games. Those are the most crucial. Most fucking crucial. I would really, really, really want for us to get to the final. If we get to the final and we lose, that's a different thing. At the final, you can never say what's going to happen. But at the semi-final, there are 2 legs. You can control what happens. You can control. So I really hope Ole uses the best of the tactics and the best of the players. Now that yellow card thing is also not there, so we have Maguire and everyone back. Just fingers crossed for this match. Fingers crossed.